Hi, welcome to the VCE Chemistry Head Start program. The first two units cover the Year 11 fundamentals, which are important coming into Year 12. We separate them into Unit 1, which will cover concepts and ideas, and Unit 2, which will cover calculations. Some of you might find that this is quite simple, so if that's the case, just whiz on. So in the first unit, what we'll do is we'll look at chemical and physical change. Then we'll look at the idea of the atom, periodic table, and how to read it. We'll look at bonding and specifically the ideas of covalent bonding, intra and intermolecular bonding. And then we'll look at how to read and write formulas and equations and the difference between sulfate, sulfite, sulfide. Lastly, we'll look at ionic equations. In class, we will then look at the redox side of things, looking at oxidation numbers as well as how to balance redox equations. Anyway, so in calculations, we'll have a look at the idea of why we do calculations, how to learn it, and we'll look at how to rearrange equations, then how to deal with ratios. We then look at scientific notation, and then how we use the calculator in our calculations. We then look at significant figures, looking at why they occur and how to use them. Then we look at formulae and equations. We then look at the relative atomic mass, the mole concept, and then lastly, how to deal with equations and the mole.